Look at me, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Today is the day I am going to be taking the Gsxr 750 over to San Jose to get tuned by Dean from Bay Area Racing. A lot of y'all have been asking, did I end up buying the 1000? And the short answer is no. I decided not to buy it just because I didn't need it. Like, I really wanted it. It was a strong want and desire to get it, but at the end of the day, it was like I didn't necessarily need it. The biggest conclusion on why I didn't get it was because a lot of my friends are all riding 600s and stuff like that, so no one is really riding a leader bike other than Lex. And then Lex has the R6, and he actually prefers to ride the R6 over the R1 just because for the back roads and stuff like that when we're all just riding around. I guess in his eyes the 600 is a lot funner. So, you know, just to be on par with everybody else, I decided to keep my 750. But enough of all that. Let's get ready to head out to San Jose to get to Dean's. That way we can get this thing tuned. Man, these wheels got dirty hella fast. I guess while this thing is idling, I'll clean this thing up a little bit, wipe him down with a microfiber. But yeah, I'm gonna idle this thing, warm it up, and then we out. We're just gonna jump straight over to Dean's. Ready? Yeah. So right now what we're about to do is just do the bass tune. We're originally going to leave it how it was with the old pipe or whatever, but I ended up deciding just to throw everything on for the content. Really just did it for the vlog. But we have the Canon air filter in, the exhaust on, and it's one down in the front, two up in the back as far as gearing goes. And we're just gonna see what this thing makes as far as baseline. I feel like it's probably underpowered just because like 600 seems faster than this, so we'll know right now what the power is looking like once we do the first couple pulls. So you can see here they do all kinds of bikes. This is hella sick. Sick. Getting ready to do the baseline. So you see, it seems like the clutch started slipping.
Sometimes, but if it feels weird, I don't want to keep running it because you're not going to be able to get home.
All right.
actually wasn't your clutch slip. It actually just goes super lean. And then right here at the end, it goes almost to 16 air-fuel ratio. That's like really unsafe. 113 horsepower. I want to say it's going to do probably like 123 would be my guess if we fix that. Because after 11, it's really unsafe after like 9. And it just tapers off and then kind of your power flattens out right there because it's so lean. So
interesting.
We can fix that. The gear ratio, the clutch and everything looks okay, so.
Cool.
It just feels weird because it's so lean.
Yeah, you can hear it. You can hear like the power just goes flat, then comes back on a little bit.
Yeah. So we'll get the tuner put in, and we can start making adjustments and see what it does.
All good. What's up? How you doing, Michael?
Property.
Nice meeting you.
Where you out of?
Oakland.
Oakland?
Yeah. So Dean's about to throw the power commander on now, and then we'll see where we're at. But now that I see it on the actual chart, I'm like, all right, feel a little bit better about it.
Yeah, from like 10 and 14, you're like the same amount of power the whole time. So it's probably worse with that other pipe you had. You had a real short pipe on this, didn't you, at one point?
Yeah.
It felt slower with that one, I bet, right? So we're basically just blocking this off so we don't get any false readings on the air-fuel ratio, because this puts basically exhaust gases right back into your airbox. We don't really want that, so. We'll see what it does, I guess. So at least it's going all the way through now. That's where it's at right now. But if you notice when I was running it, did you see the throttle position going back to like, it would go to 40 to 60 to 40 and I was in the whole time. So we gotta try to do something about that. I'll try to check a few things, see if I can find a problem. It's really weird. Intermittent throttle position sensor problem. On and off. I'll have to try to pull up a book and see what the voltage range is on the sensor.
It's looking like we have a shady TPS sensor. Readings like all over the place as far as where throttle is.
The voltage on the sensor is too high. It's getting like 4.7 volts. It should be 1.1. So that's going to be the problem. I've got it now.
Cool, perfect. So a little good news is TPS all set. It was just out of adjustment. He got everything situated, so now everything is looking like we're back on track to getting this thing all finished up. So here's the before and after right here. First pull we did without the power commander, just stock 113, and then with the power commander after tuning 124. Not bad. Look at the curve all the way, all the way. Looks, yeah, it was falling hella flat right here. Now all the way to red line. Lit. Should be shooting out Hadoukens now. So this should be fun. Shouldn't feel hella slow no more.
Yeah, you'll for sure feel a difference. Big difference.
Hopefully I don't get gapped by a 600 now.
I don't think that's gonna happen. There's no 600s doing 124 horsepower.
Now I gotta go rerun my boy Aaron. That fool hella gapped my I'm like, hey, I need my fade back now. So now she is all done. So definitely good improvement. Y'all can see the map is hella cleaner now. Test this thing and head on the way back home. Unfortunately, I don't have my memory card in the little GoPro that I'd usually put on, so I actually have the bigger GoPro on me right now. It's all good though. Hopefully this one has good quality and it doesn't sound different or weird. I usually like to keep the little pew poo pow pow GoPro on me. So after the drive here and dynoing for a couple hours, it's time to get some gas. As soon as I did the first pull, gas light came on. I feel like every single video y'all seeing me pump gas, man. Man, it's mobbing now, yo. Hella better. Loving the way this shit feeling now. Who would have thought that 11 extra horsepower on a bike would accumulate to the way it feels now, dude? Like, granted, it still doesn't feel like that 1000, but it feels a lot better than what it did. Like, now I'm actually loving the bike. Like, I'm still getting used to how the power feels, so I'm not even like fully throttling this shit. I'm just kind of like easing into it to you know, get a feel of it. But it's a night and day difference, dude. Like, it's just crazy. And I know a lot of y'all be talking like, oh, you gotta learn how to shift better. Well, you see I'm getting the hang of shifting. I am shifting a lot faster than what I used to. And I also know how to, you know, shift without using the clutch, but I tend to not do that. Even though I know bike transmissions are built like dog boxes, I try to just to pull the clutch in to hopefully keep the transmission, you know, together a lot longer than if I was just, you know, not using the clutch and shifting at all. Here, I'll show y'all, no shift. Faster now, huh?
Hey, I even dropped all the way to third.
Yeah, last time your ass had gapped me, I was like, man, I'm running raggedy, yo.
I gotta keep the RPM up though. My power band didn't kick in before she walked off.
Who would think 11 horsepower makes that much of a difference, bruh? That shit crazy.
Oh!